Morocco. Father of Ivana Alawi is from Morocco. You know the Ivana Alawi, the famous blogger here. Her father is a Moroccan. And where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Yeah, in North Africa. In east of Spain. Okay. Do you love games? What kind of games? It depends on the situation. Do you love what kind of games that is? Matias Rayos, hello, hola. Questions. Hola, gracias, mi amigo, amiga. Buenos días, buenas noches. Uy, kadaghang langaw kaya. Do you play games? I'm looking for a game friend. I don't know the game or online games. I'm not, I do not play games. I don't know to play. Yeah, because I see here your content is gaming. I don't know how to play games. Game in life, yeah. I know how to play game in life, but the game, online game, I don't know. Are you from China? Do I look like a Chinese? Did you can see my eyes, it's so big. I'm not a Chinese. I have big eyes. Look at that. I'm a Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Thailand maybe now. Yeah, because Filipino people look like the Filipino in Malaysia or Thailand. Looks like we have the same face. Yeah, I'm from Philippines, darling. I'm Filipino. I'm Filipina. Or Japan. You're kidding me. No, I'm not Muslim. I'm Christian. Big Joe, hello. I don't need I don't need to do that. Even I didn't do that. People subscribe me. I may do that in one person to subscribe me? No.